Welcome back. What is a for loop? Imagine you have a box of cookies, and you want to enjoy them one by one until the box is empty. A for loop in the C programming language works a bit like that. First, we need to open serial communication by typing serial.begin 9600 in the setup function. Next, we will write a for loop to eat cookies in our setup function. The for loop looks like this. First, we decide where we want to start. Here we start at cookie number 1. Then we decide how many cookies do we want to eat. We have decided to eat 10 cookies. And lastly, we decide how many cookies to eat at a time. Cookie plus plus is the same as saying each time the loop runs, I will eat 1 cookie. Let's add a couple lines of code so we can see the outcome in the serial monitor. Awesome. Now we can count cookies like a real programmer, 1 byte at a time.